I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart.
Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables?
How much is this apple? How much is this apple?
I want 2 kilos of tomatoes. I want 2 kilos of tomatoes.
Excuse me, where is the milk? Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's just down at the end of the aisle on your left. This bread is very fresh.
I am looking for the juice aisle.
Can I get a plastic bag, please? Can I get a plastic bag, please?
The eggs are on sale today. The eggs are on sale today.
I don't need this item. I don't need this item.
Let me check the price tag.
I want to pay by card. I want to pay by card.
Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card?
I am waiting in the checkout line. I am waiting in the checkout line.
This yogurt expires tomorrow. This yogurt expires tomorrow.
I need to buy some butter.
The cereal is on the top shelf.
The cereal is on the top shelf.
I forgot my shopping list.
This chicken looks very fresh. This chicken looks very fresh.
Can you help me find the sugar?
Can
You help
me find the sugar? I want to buy some snacks. I want to buy some snacks.
The cashier is very friendly.
Thank you.
The cashier is very friendly.
I need to return this product.
I?
Need to return this product.
Okay, I can help you with that. My total is $20.
Thank you. Have a nice day.